Hey guys, well it's day 2, the next day out here on the single cab. I was able to fill in these holes, not all of them, so I gotta do the lower corner, but pretty happy with that. Next, I just finished that, so we're gonna work on the right side. So as you probably know, we had this piece. I was gonna drill out the rivets. I haven't looked. I'm thinking you can get a lower corner. I'm going to try to save as much of this bus as possible without just, getting into full corners. And so I know they make the, for 20 bucks, you can just get the piece to put in, and that's probably what I should do. But I have this original piece that came with the single cab. So I'm going to try and cut this out and just go ahead and use that here. So let's see how this goes. I won't tell you where I bought these from. I think you'll know the answer to that. Go ahead, tell me I'm overusing the drill bit. Go ahead, tell me. Really? See, this is what comments are for. If you know of a good drill bit set, please leave it in the link below or comments so I can buy it. Thanks. I'm going to be out of battery pretty soon. Really? Copper pipes, check. All right, so before I go any further, I'm going to try to get this fitted in. I'm going to have to get the old one out. Got a couple spot welds I have to drill off there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Try to get this fitted in there before, just to see how it fits, and we'll finish up work on that other side. All right, well, I'm just drilling these spot welds down a little bit. There's not too much left of the metal's kind of rusty, so should be able to chisel this out by hand, get this piece out. All right, guys, well, I still got a little more work to do to get this left tray in. I thought I've got this thing all the way out, but apparently I got to keep pounding on it. But anyway, that's where I'm at with that. Like I said, I've got everything cleaned out of there. So after crawling around on the floor the better part of today, I decided I'm going to get a mid-rise lift. So here's what we're up against. I think if I spin the single cab around, I'll have enough room. So that's where I'm at. Mid-rise lift, Harbor Freight. Going to use the 20% off coupon. If any of you guys have any experience with that and say no, let me know. But that's what I'm going to order probably. So just been cleaning shop, trying to get organized, getting everything in here, unpacking. See, we do actually have tools. See that? Look what I found, musty one. I told you I had one. I even found a nice jump wire for you. So right now, I feel like I have to put a tack on this just because I have to pull the trigger on the welder. I did do some welding on the floor pan, but that's where I'm at. I'm going to order the brake parts tonight just because of the CP1 sale. I'm just going to go drums. So I'm going to get those ordered. I still haven't figured out the transmission yet, so just wanted to post an update. Been welding and grinding and learning a ton. Having a lot of fun. If you guys are thinking about getting a welder, you guys say, I can't weld. This is my first spool. I'm on my first spool. I'm not doing fantastic, but I'm in here and I'm welding and I'm learning. And I couldn't be happier to be in here using these tools. So I can't say thank you to Musty One, Brian, VW Nut, all you guys for the support you've given me and where I'm at right now. It feels great to be inside. So no snow outside this winter. Looking forward to that. So have a great weekend. Just wanted to touch base, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Well, we got rudely interrupted, but go ahead and grind that down here and see what that looks like. Try to get that down a little more. So that's what I've been doing. Weld, grind, as you know, that's the drill. I'll try to fill that corner in. What do you think? Try to fill that corner in. So that's not bad for right there after I grind it. So I'm using a pretty beat flapper disc because this is kind of a sensitive area, you know, tailgate. I'm trying to keep it, you know what I'm trying to do. We got a nice crack right through here, but still got a little wiggle to it. We're gonna have to repair the back here. I'll tack that up, that back side. Then we have a crack right here. I'm probably gonna, I don't know. Might be able to get some of that, but I'll probably leave that and just try to tack that backside and just strengthen it. So I'm happy with that. I mean, I'll smooth it out a little more with a smaller piece. If you're thinking about welding, get one, get welding, get on your project. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but you learn so much, and it gives an excuse to buy new tools. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you soon. Have a great weekend. Take care.